sign with Spice Diana on this campaign. You know, to champion what you call an icon, a leader in her own regard, and she will be our social media ambassador for this campaign. Yes.
Diana afunye deal empya club ye agenda kubange following bulungi nnyo, agenda gabanga ebirabo ku social media ne club ye, agenda gabanga data, agenda kukolanga campaigns ez'enjawulo ku social media kuba club ye, ate nga deal endala zikyajja nnyo nyingi nnyo ku Spice Diana. Ebifaananyi bikubibwa n'amaloboozi n'essanyu eryo. Spice Diana amaze okubanga signing na endorsement deal endala mu 2021 ne banafa ba club ye osobola okukikwata ku Kibaye Club. Thank you so much, club here.
The main things or issues that the Nigeria will cover is my collaboration with Mosso, and then the media tour I had, then meeting Diamond, the observations in Tanzania, that's the recommendations. That's what I would like to talk about, because it was reminding me to see that they can go ahead and ask to national where that they find out. First, my collaboration with Mosso album, I'll first tell you how it came about. In a media, I got a call from one of my friends, a media personality in Kenya. It's called Mzazi Mutumba. Spice, this is also from Wasafi. Of course, I knew about Mosso. I was a fan. I knew about his music. Now I have an album, Jenny Kolako, and I would love to have a Ugandan artist to work on album. I think you're the right person to work with. How I got in touch with Mosso. We were contacting her after a few weeks, and they were like, Spice, we have an album launch in Tanzania for Mosso's album, and they would love me being in Tanzania performing an album launch. Since Twinori Bafinako album, yali agenda kubanga leta bali bonna balinako. Album eyo kwaliko abayimbi abalala kwaliko Mr. Flavor from Nigeria, then n'omwimbi wa Davido gwe yasayiniza omupya naye nga kwaliko album eyo. So they wanted me to go to Tanzania for the album launch. Nebagamba, let me check my schedule. I remember it was around 12 when I know Kubelayo. Galina show at 11 for Top Cut. I remember it was the launch. So we pushed the launch of Top Cut to 9. If I go down to Tanzania. So we waliwo kupako is the president of Tanzania. That was Magufuli, and he so rest in peace. So album launch he postponed. So after buying the tickets and everything, it was over until Mabaino and date to pay an album launch, and they were to let me know. So since Tumaletugena Sivo, they thought they wouldn't have time to have the album launch, but maybe after Ramadan. So the management of Mosso decided to have me in Tanzania for the video shoot. Yori Barambe, since they're going to be releasing video. So I had to check through my schedule during our free Irani Bawe Makozenjo Kusobolo in Tanzania. So they worked on everything, the preparations, the regular tickets, the regular accommodation with my team. I went with a team of 8 people from here, since we had a video shoot. Again, glam team, that's my makeup artist, my videographer. I went with my management, I went with my designer, as a whole team. So we were in Tanzania for 8 days. We're supposed to be there for like 6 days or 5, but then they tried to for because of the weather. It's been raining a lot in Tanzania, so I think that we didn't go enough to be. So we shot a video, everything went on successful, and then about the media tour, I didn't go to Tanzania for a media tour. Again, specifically for the video shoot. The management Mosso, that is Wasafi, WCB, they tell them for the video shoot because that's their song. It's not actually my song, it's their song on the album. So they were supposed to do that. So when I engaged in Tinezero Wasafi, they requested to have me on some of the radio stations. It's not only Wasafi, they have another station in Jeba Bulao. So that's fine. So I went for an interview, one of the biggest interviews programs for Tiku Radio TV Wasafi. That was one of the days actually when I was about to come. So then you get enough with to Tanzania, Nicola Media tour within Wasafi, and then I came back.
Spice Media tour reaction ya section ya aplinga ku music wa Uganda balala oba aplinga ku music wo because waliyo na wao.
You want me to be honest?
Yeah.
Tubazanya music wa Uganda.
Really?
It's okay dala.
Tubazanya wana.
Era mu mbali nayenga ge mazima. Tubazanya music wa Uganda. It's okay dala okuleka ka you have a connection with them. Onyakola nabo oli mukwano gwabo okitegeera that's Chechilio, Tisimunyo Kuleto in my videos in Tanzania, unless you do, so you don't know pushing that you get to know those people, they will know about you.
Media houses so they know about
was. They are one as in a Bageko, Nangiri Tanzania, but they put the best, the biggest media stations on Nazanas Bageko. But that's what I received. It wasn't in Uganda. Why? Because we come Uganda, we don't know Uganda at all. I take over Babili Swahili, they believe Ugandans have to know Swahili. So that's one of them. And then Bagaranyo culture with Bagaranyo Swahili. It's hard to find a station in the Zungu. So let's just call them Uganda. Yeah. So that's it. Then the third point, I don't know if you have a question, but
no. Media to stay.
Yeah.
So what about you to Uganda? Music industry and people
is to love our own. Like I told you, those people was in nature, they play their music 100%. 100% from the clubs, the TV, radio, and they speak their language. Not all about to what addressing a really just so I think Chambonyo Poshinga music because they speak in the language. They speak a language, they sing in a language, and they put yeah. Well, before I left Uganda, I got a message from Diamond Platinum. Of course, yeah, we shall be expecting you to Tanzania. Artist wange kubanga CEO wa WCB. So, we communicating before we went to Tanzania. He was out of Tanzania na yeye yakoma ondoza edenga na kutubuse Tanzania. So it was like atuise kwa dinner wakawe. I went to his home. We had dinner and after party with my team. We had a good time. He took us around his home. He has a studio at home. I met the producers, Abakolao. I met the Wasafi artists, you know. And then that was our first meeting with Diamond. Then the second meeting was when I had an interview at Wasafi. He was having meetings, and then when I came in, he requested to say hi, like someone you know already, you've met. Then Omlali in the studio, and like, hey, let me say hi to Spice Diana. Then I went to say hi. He paused his meeting that he had for a few minutes. They told him until I wait for my interview.
Spice Diana was a collaborator with Diamond Platinum.
It's okay that I want to tell you Ugandans and Bantu, Balloon Junior, and we expect them to support the National Achievement Day. They won't leave you away, okay? And I've seen them promote so much negativity around the picture, and there's nothing good about the picture. Naturally, it's okay that I didn't go to Tanzania because never did collaborations. Yeah? The job so much collaborations when I go to Tanzania, these guys look up to my stuff, the Chempola, and they are inspired and they love what I do. That's why they reach up to me. And then the opportunity, one of the best, they would love to work with you. The very important thing is not a collaboration with Diamond. I will proudly say it is a Chenjagala from Diamond or Wasafi. It might not be a collaboration because that's not enough and it might be useless. Because we've seen Ugandan artists so called collaborations in Nini Nabayi about international and you guys don't promote the music. I've seen artists who are in Nigeria, you guys never support the music. Will you guys support my collaboration with Diamond Platnumz? So that might not be the issue, but Mzalinians Okoyika from Diamond, him giving me time to talk to me, Nabako about music, us having a relationship like friendship, getting to know how he does his stuff, how he got where he is just a lot for me. I've done projects with Wasafi. Besides most of the projects need, I might not tell you with who, Obani, that is my secret. When it's out, you guys will see it. And you will cause it from Wasafi. But then, just a collaboration to me might not be so useful. The best people that you have to learn from is what matters. In the and we talk about music stuff. I get to learn from him is just enough for me, not just a collaboration that you guys like how it is. Yeah.
Business what is Diamond Platnumz Mugazi of Singapore, Agazi to you. Now tips they have one
a lot of stuff, like a lot. So like I want to spice this coaching like really the management and coaching. When you get close to some people about Singapore, now when you become friends with Chameleon, when you become friends with maybe Bobby Wine or Baby Cool or Who or Juliana, this is something you learn because about Singapore, they have more experience than you do. So me getting close to Diamond, having like almost a 3 hours talk with him is just enough. There's nothing that shows up a season. So I've learned so much. Oh well, I think it's first it's okay to have soccer player fake, those guys will learn from us. Let's support each other. Those guys will see so much support from Uganda and when you go down to Tanzania, you will see Uganda how to do things. But in Tanzania, you look at artists like Harmonize, I never even more. Nola Diamond, I know over like 6 artists plus. Bonanga, I know what supporting her. She takes a boy but they're pushing up industry, Kubanga Manji, Atibari Wamu. Never just 20 kawansi. Never Sanga Batamu, Atibari professional, but artist you are. We don't push positivity about our artists, about the good that our artists do. Then those guys will come in, will call it and they will push it that you will get to see.
Promotion is promoting the work, promoting the through DJs, TVs, one-on-one social media, among the artists who are within 2 months working with Rina Manji, Singapore.
It's okay that those guys between a branch that single range band African countries. Tanzania is the largest, it's the biggest band. Support Uganda. Our internet is very expensive. In Tanzania, internet is very well. Internet, data, following. So one 1 million followers on the Instagram. A wow single million 1 million, I think everyone can have it in Tanzania. Every artist can have a 1 million followers on Instagram, Facebook, and because our internet is very expensive. We have taxi, or 1 GB a cent compared to theirs. So I think both internet of Mange you want to see CRIC, but you have a pushing a music more over the video that's abnormal. So Puffy, Sisugira to Waliwo, we have like 1 or 2 artists, actually one. I saw one and maybe in a big way. Yeah, so I think that's one. Nation Nangami to Chetoya Garisa, Okuja Garisa Munju industry, okay? From around us, Gaba AB, from the media. Jotorian media is like they are waiting for only the situation cause but it was next time nyongo oyimbi anyachakoze kirungi n'okuwandiika ko notalina kiri kyakoze muwandiikeko neno promoting ekirungi kyakoze ewaba kihappeninga nnyo but ewaffe tekiriyo
abakyala babayisa babakya mu industry yaabo tulengera naye amapulaka malina omukyala omupya bapromotinga abonaza n'omukyala omukyala bapromotinga awa ebitema bendonge bambira yamulirako oba nabo bayita produce ekitwakokalabase
endongo yo yemu buli wamu you have to hustle bulina okasolinga okufuna ku ttooki lwakubanti kati bo balina record labels ezikola eziba nga ziri active bakola kyebateekeddwa okukola kyangu nnyo omuyimbi okuba nga akola kyakola then n'omuwulira neewalala nga gyali ekitali wano ffe wano buli omuyimbi ahasolinga ku lulwe tulina record labels ziri serious okitegeera so it's all the same buli wamu hustle erina okubeerawo
tukusuubira okikola kino annually buli mwaka kugendereko okukola tuwa tukusuubira okweyongerayo okukola kutuwa ku nsi endala pakati wafuddeyo okugenda kukola vision ewajjeeyo osabirirawo
always learn buli wentambula wonna wentambudde njiga ate there's one thing Diamond yabadde agamba when we had a meeting n'agamba nti sometimes as artists tutagetinga nnyo buli omu kyatunuulidde like we target if it's artist aliko tutunuulira nnyo Wizkid buli muyimbi omutadde Uganda n'agamba ayagala ba international ayagala kukola na Wizkid ayagala kukola na Diamond ayagala kukola na Davido ayagala kukola with those top artists naye ng'ekirasi kiroto if things don't work out like that start with your neighboring countries start from home osooka okikumiza ewaka osooka ogenda Rwanda tuli kumpi wano ogende Kenya ogende Tanzania do what you're supposed to do first get those few countries and then it will be very easy for you to cut across in Sri Nigeria or Bachi. Yeah.
Spice. Media to South Africa.
That wasn't a media tour. Whenever was a media tour, you guys will know about it. And so we have to take Tanzania, but they have video shoots. They are also management here, and they put in everything. It wasn't a media tour, but I ended up going to the big radio and TV station. That's Wasafi because they never gave one over the Wasafi. That's how I ended up in the media tour, but it wasn't really a media tour.
Alright, so yeah, sister. Nachuna genda kubibuzo, nenda kubanga nyigawo ate omukono mulala wano Spice yafunye deal na club ya tujita Team MBs club ya ina campaign naye Pedro Teka Spice yokuba artist abalondedwayo okubeera ba ambassador aba online aba social media tusikirize twandiriza okukuba okuva ku club ya anubeerire deal eno ate tugende mu session y'ebibuuzo awo olunaku tumalirize.
Welcome back. We were waiting for you. We're very honored to be here with you. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Paul Nasasira. I'm from TBW Uganda, the advertising agency for Nile Breweries Limited, and I'm here on behalf of the Club Pilsner brand today. As the MC did mention, and I think as you've seen, we went live with a campaign called Unleash Your Beat about over 3 weeks ago from now. What is Unleash Your Beat? This is basically a campaign that we put out there to champion and empower the youth. This is to channel their inner creativity and passion. What we normally call the co-curricular activities, what we are bringing to the front now, not the stereotype jobs everyone is known for, but because we are now living in a digital era, we're seeing a lot of opportunities coming, up and about, out of people, doing what they're passionate about. And that's what we're calling the beat and unleashing the beat, bringing the beat to your forefront. And in this sense, beat is not just music. Beat could be fashion, beat could be music, it could be art, it could be technology. So that's what we call it, a campaign, Unleash Your Beat. And as you may have noticed, the label of Club Beer has also changed. I think you've seen a couple of different levels around as I'm going to explain. So we did a bit of research, and initially we've come up with 4 tribes which make up the 4 levels. One is Team Drip, of which we have gotten Bryans as our ambassador on that. That he's representing fashion, and he most recently came out with a new brand when no one is watching, and we are happy to collaborate with that and partner with that.
Collaboration is all for you. What have you said that wasn't a music that was pushing it? They were pushing that what they come. They don't mean that. And here take them. Who are taking them? They are taking them.
From day one, collaboration and also it's not my song, it's their song. Libera Kosoliku album ye sina right name kuluyingolo. Era kuva ku video, kuva ku ticket, kuva wena suze kuva ku shenalite debata demo. WCB, Wasafi, Diamond Platinum. Debata demo everything. Sina jina demo because it wasn't my song. Maybe that is a Zambi. The song like I did name Harmonize, it was my song. Not forgetting, Made Tanzania, Nafuna Mitwalo is settled just 5 days. Followers in just 5 days, I got new followers in Mitwalo is settled. But that means whatever I do, some of the things we do in the industry are invisible. You can't see. Nairobi had from this stuff that we get. The endorsements, the influencing, the shows, the so that's how it comes. So there was a